Hi there, these are 3-inch security loops that I offer in packages of 50, 100, or 500. They can be used for a variety of purposes, but perhaps the most common use for them is to attach hang tags to merchandise, which makes them extremely useful for artisans and crafters. A customer has asked for clarification on how to use them, so I've made this video. Note that these are not the kind of loops that require a gun or any kind of special tool to apply them. You simply attach them by hand, and they'll stay right where you put them until you cut them off. Here's how. Notice that the straight end has barbs on it, and the other end has a barrel or a cylinder. First, slip the loop through the two things you wish to attach to each other, and then poke the barbed end into the cylinder until it snaps. And there they are. That's all there is to it. It'll stay put. You will have to cut it when you want to take it off. Let me show you again. You slip the loop through your tag that you're going to attach, and then through the merchandise that you're going to attach it to, and put the barb into the loop and make it snap. Ta-da! Ready to go. One more time. You can even use little tags like this, just as long as it has a hole in it, and then put it through the merchandise, and then bring the straight end around and plug it into the barrel until it clicks, and there you have it. Just like that. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.